Honeymoon day 2.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
What's up, everybody? We are here at Cloud Lane Canyon. Just got here and now we're trying to figure out the trail to go on. The park ranger that worked at the front was extremely nice and helpful, and she said her favorites are the Overlook and the
West Rim.
So there's Overlook trails and stuff up there, but right here is we're gonna see what this main Overlook is all about. And it's about 32 degrees right now.
Yeah, not too bad, because it was 20, 25, 27 last night. But when you come in, you have to keep going straight after paying $5 for the daily fee or $50 for an annual fee. But once you get through the gate, you go to the main kind of interpretive center, which is straight through the stop sign at the four-way. They also have glamping and primitive camping, as well as a few activities for kids. And the main Overlook Trail is kind of family friendly, pet friendly. They said they love puppers, so bring your dogs.
Oh yeah.
Or
so
possibly your cats. I don't know if
this
you
is
want
the
cats.
this is the trailhead.
Ooh, look at this overlook.
Ooh, so that is nice. That's worth it right there. That's worth $5. First impression, that was like extremely quick to get to. Just a few hundred feet from the parking lot.
So the waterfall trail is down into this way, down the stairs, and if we keep going, that's the West Rim Trail. So you want to do waterfall first?
Yeah. So this is a big rock.
Wow, look at that rock.
So this is Cherokee Falls. Definitely worth the hike. I think we might have been hiking 20 minutes at the most, so gorgeous. Now we're gonna head to Hemlock Falls. One love. Hey, so we're down. Hemlock Falls is back there, and we're about to go up, back up the stairs. So, coming up those stairs, significantly more difficult than going down, surprisingly.
I think I died.
Who'd have thunk it?
So, the stairs are nice, I guess, but
Forgive my cough.
Okay, we just got done with waterfalls. The two main ones here.
Cherokee Falls, must do. Very easy to get to. A few steps.
Yeah.
And if it's in the low 30s, make sure you are careful, cause people were falling left and right. Boardwalks were frozen. Stairs were frozen. Hemlock Falls, however.
We died.
I wouldn't do Hemlock Falls unless even the best hikers are gonna have issues with those stairs.
Yeah, but it is kid friendly
And pet friendly,
and pet friendly.
which we love.
Graded steps all the way down, boardwalk style, and you just gotta be in shape.
All right, we're gonna go drink water now, and I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good, well you got me good.
Alright, see you guys later.
There's a donkey out there.
There's a donkey out there. Yeah.